So today I am with one of my favorite people. She is my client. She is selling her house. I'm our listing agent, and we've been working on this project for about a month now, getting the house completely staged. We worked with a great company that I work with all the time, Regina, and she came in, staged a property for us, had all new furniture brought into the property, and we are just about ready to hit the market. But this house speaks 100% well over $1 million. So it will be listed at about 1.3 million, around that price point, and we should be active hopefully by the beginning of next week. But I'm with the seller, and I just want her to share with you a little bit about her experience, because this was a complete transformation and it kind of rocked her world. So tell me what your thoughts are.
Yes, at the beginning I was like a little hesitant, but all the changes that have been done in the house, it just look amazing, gorgeous, and we are loving it.
Awesome. Well, so you think it was a good idea to take the risk and take my advice to actually have the entire house painted?
Yes,
And the
yes,
cabinets
definitely,
painted?
definitely.
Awesome.
Yes.
And so far, how you feel about the experience? I know it's been a little chaotic. We haven't hit the market yet, but what do you think? I mean, you've trusted us with a major change. So what do you think?
Well, we are very pleased and thankful that we follow the advice of Tonda, and that we also work with a stager, Regina, and follow all their advice. And even though I was like a little hesitant, but it has come together, and the house looks amazing. You'll love it. So just come out and see it.
You're gonna love it. And so you believe you will get your return on investment?
Yes.
Absolutely. So initially we were thinking about listing this house under $1 million, but we are confident with the changes that buyers are going to be knocking the door down to get in here. So you're behind the gates in Westlake, great subdivision, very quiet. We're on a corner lot that is super amazing. So stay tuned, because it's going to hit the market very soon.
Yes, stay tuned. Thank you.